Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a Brawl Stars rank video. So let's go. So first of all, copy the link of the video that you want. Now download this app. Now paste the URL. Now click on the second one and then on OK. Now open CapCut and then the video. Now click on ratio and then on 9:16. And then zoom in where you prefer. I like to don't zoom too much so I don't have to add keyframes. Now do the essential cuts that you think you need. Now click on Overlay and add the ranks PNG. That I will maybe leave in description. And cut until the point that the character that you want to give the rank enters in the scene. Now position the rank perfectly on the top of the character. Now end the rank overlay where the character leaves. Now start adding the keyframes. Add keyframes for every movement of the character. Keyframes are these white things that you can see on the overlay in the down part. When you add a second keyframe, the overlay moves to the position that you set with the second keyframe, and this happens to every single keyframe that you set. After you have clicked on the keyframe button, you don't have to click again to add the keyframe. You just move the rank when and where you want to. The most important thing is just to move the keyframe on every small movement. If you guys want, I can do a tutorial for more CapCut features. Now click on Canvas. Now on Blur. And choose the blur that you want. And click on Apply to All. Now to add this song, click on Audio, and then on Extracted, and then add a subscribe button green screen. This is not necessary, but you can add it. Now click on Cutout. Now Chrome key. Now pick the color green. And then bring the intensity to 50. And this should be okay, guys, that was it for today. Please subscribe for my effort and see you guys in the next one.